Okay, bin number 2. Let's see what we got. They love, those worms seems to really like the cardboard. Look at that. Oops, trying to get that to focus on there. Look at that gnarly spider. That's why I wear the rubber gloves. A friend of mine got bit by a spider that looks similar like that. You should see the scar she has. It's amazing. Anyway. Alright. Doesn't look like there are any cockroaches on there. Looks like that might be right there. A worm egg. Or a dried up one. One that's drying up. Okay, cool. So let's get them down. And take a look inside this worm gun. So you can see the worms all over the top. And how much that's gone down since just the last time. And there's not the slightest bit of odor to it. And that's how my bins usually are. Sometimes you'll have a little bit of onion smell when I first put an onion or something in. But it doesn't last very long. Only within a couple days. Here's the other side where the mango skins are setting. Let's take a look. Look how it looks like it just starts to disappear down on the ground. Yeah. They've got that mostly consumed. Did you see that? That's pretty cool. They were all in the shape of that skin. All those worms in there. Wow. Nice. Oh, I thought I squeezed all of these out. Didn't. Here's one I didn't squeeze out. Sorry, guys. Alright, so let's see. Look at that. That's fantastic. Things are getting back to normal. Sorry, I hope it's not too shaky. I can't watch that screen and watch what I'm doing here at the same time. I can't work through the screen. Alright, so that looks good. Everything's coming back to normal on that side. I'm not going to add anything. So then I'm going to come back over here and dig around a little bit. Wow, that's all that's left of that potato. It just, everything is so amazing. How it just starts looking, it looks like it's just sinking into the soil. See how that, there's like this potato skin? That was just a slice of potato. This is a, what was this? This was a turnip or something. Not a turnip, but I can't remember now. Anyway, alright, so look everywhere those, see where those mango skins are. There are worms. This one didn't get squeezed out enough. There, sorry. So you can see that. I'm sure just people like to see stuff like this. I don't like to disturb the worms too much, but you can see underneath this what it looks like. Worms everywhere down in there in those layers. Sorry about that. Everybody's got to get back oriented again. Okay. What I do with it, let's get some stuff to put in there. Okay, I'll pop a little bit of water in. Just gonna moisturize that a little bit right there. Those those carrots want to dry out really fast, so try to keep the moisture up in there. Okay. Okay, bin 3. Let's see here. Yeah, see how those worms get? Oh wow, I bet that felt like an earthquake. Did you think you were in California or something? Alright, so you can see how those worms get up on that. or in that cardboard and start getting like chewing it up right away. They don't waste any time at all. Okay, now let's get down here. I don't know what that is trying to sprout up, but you can see we've got plenty of worms. I don't know if I said this is worm bin 3, but see what happened in here. Let's see, move this over. Everybody's trying to get away from that light. And it looks like they've pretty much cleaned up everything that was there. That's pretty surprising. I have to say, I did not think that I would open this bin up and see that much of that stuff gone this quickly. But you can see clearly in this bin what I mean by how it looks like everything just starts sinking into the soil. That's pretty neat. I love that. Okay, so we're going to move over to the mango side, and here you can see, let's see, whoops, camera down. I'll stabilize it against there. And look, it's all just sinking. I wonder what these seeds were. Man, they're trying to grow in here. Sprouts. That'd be good for them to go eat. Sprouts are supposed to be good for you. Oh, plenty of sprouts there for everyone. Okay. Now, actually, I'm going to move these over to this side. Keep everybody going over there. Sorry, video's not that good. And then let's lift up that skin. Look at that. It's just buried. Just worms. It looks like they've really cleaned up these mangoes. They're doing the final cleanup over there. That's incredible. Okay, back with some cut mangoes. I kind of went overboard on the other thing and didn't leave much for these guys, so I'm just going to drop some mangoes that dropped off the tree here, down in here. Oops, sorry about that. For anybody actually watching these videos. Alright. Following this. Alright, here we go. That's pretty much going to be bin 3. I'm getting ready to jump over to bin 2 and throw some of these mangoes in over there for those guys. But actually, set the video down here for a second. Alright, rinse my hands. Now I can get this thing over. That doesn't need a lot of liquid. This one I want to get that just a little bit wet. There's not a lot to keep wet there. Oops. On that side. Sorry about this videography. It's pretty difficult to do all this. I can't do anything and look through the screen and do it. It's too difficult. It's like when you put your hand in the water, it's off, your hand's over here, but it's actually over here. Alright. Okay, back up in 2. Okay, quick adjustment. Go ahead and throw some of these mangoes in here. Okay, it's bin 2.